Remind me of when JPS lock off your light. Boom! Boom! Boom, 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 boom. Alright, so listen. You have a little lady on TikTok, see our song. I'm going to say, you know what? I go over there, go look on it. Listen to it, see if me like it. But, however, I never really listen to the song, so I'm going to listen to it now. You get me? Her name is Elle Jhenae. I hope I pronounced that right, eh? But if I did not, forgive me. Hold on a minute. Come here. Stay right there. Yes. So, you know, say, alright, boom. Yeah, stay right there. Yes. Boom! So, I could go listen to this song, you know. Remember, like, comment, share, subscribe. I like a little Chinese rhythm already.
Boy, you know you're the one.
I like her voice. Her voice sounds a little melodic.
Get over you when you call. Got my phone, gotta hear your voice. No, you done got me sprung. Mixed emotions. Oh, I love you.
I think he got you sprung. Because you're singing about him. You're contradicting yourself, baby.
Just something about you. Feeling take lead, cause I'm a charter of the tightest script, place never ask for me.
Hold on. So you can sing and you can DJ. Let's pull it up. I like that switch. Remind me of when JPS lock off your light. You're a paid actor, stay up there. Watch ya. Like, comment, share, subscribe.
Boy, you know you're the one.
Somebody please tell me if me correct, if me pronounce her name properly. Elle Jhenae. Just please.
Get over you when you call. Got my phone, gotta hear your voice. No, you done got me sprung. Mixed emotions. Oh, I love you down. Just
Now her voice sounds very, very nice. That little, you know that me no have a voice like she, but you don't know me, I try to say.
something about you. Feeling take lead, cause I'm a charter of the tightest script, place never ask for. Babes, you know you have the key to the top formula. Me get face team soap, me now get harder. Pretty kitty get wax for the trip.
Hold on. She sound a little freaky.
Something about you. Feeling take lead, cause I'm a charter of the tightest script, place never ask for. Babes, you know you have the key to the top formula. Me get face team soap, me now get harder. Pretty kitty get wax for the trip. Regular the bedroom, have fun with we. Tell me.
That's something when a woman need to practice for true. When you need to start shaving the look front the phone, go check on a man. Alright? Because some man I go check on a man so look hairy front. You need to stop it. Alright.
I'm his favorite free. No, this ain't free. No, this yappy. Money, ma go greedy. Boy, you know you're
Alright. The switch from singing and going into like that sing J thing, I like it. 10 out of 10.
the one. Can't get over you when you call. Got my phone, gotta hear your voice. No, you done got me sprung. Mixed them.
No, it's not mixed emotion. Elle Jhenae. The man have you sprung. I'm sprung. That's how you got him singing for you. Okay?
Emotions. Oh, I love you down. Just something about you. I think about me, tell her I got on funny long. For me, life pretzel me a chick sedition. Me love fear, phone and have a mission.
Little but me talawa. So she stay upon it long. Remix Matrix edition. Look about me Talawa. So she stay upon the long. Remix edition. Matrix. You get what me just say. Me say it first is first time. Me can't remember things me all. But that is tough. 10 out of 10 for that line.
Class, but my moral disappear from my man. Ambition that way, yeah, cure like a friend. You have up in your sheet, now come caress me. After you get this.
Ambition is the key. Me love how you're singing about some things, but you're putting in a little bit of education. Ladies and gentlemen, young boys and girls, ambition is the key to success.
You a touch lively, can't bet her shit, no get wet like this. Boy, you know.
Boy, I don't know if everything get wet like that. I haven't tried it yet.
I'm the one, can't get over you. When you call, got my phone, gotta hear your voice. No, you don't, got me sprung, mixed emotions. Oh, I love.
You know what's funny? I see she pop up on my TikTok, you know, I never really pay attention to it. Bro, me not really. Me's not a man, bro, with scroll, bro. If your thing don't pop up on the front of me timeline, bro, you know, me not see you. Sorry. Love you, but me not see you. But I'm not ready to eat yet. Leave it out there. I'm coming. Okay? I'm coming. See, that's how you guys are supposed to live. But yeah, me see, if your thing not pop up on the front of my screen, me now go see it. That's just me. You have to make me see it. You better post it the same time me open the app. Cause if the app don't bring it up as me open the app, me not looking at it. But our thing come up. And then me never listen to it. But me keep on opening the app and just ship up. I say, no, listen to the fucking song. So here I am now. So far I like it.
Then about you, can't get over you. Got me stuck like glue. Don't know what to do. When you call on me, if it come true, like a dream come true. Got me stuck
like, comment, share, subscribe.
like glue. Don't know what to do. When you call on me, if it come true. Boy, you know you're the one. Can't get over you. When you call, got my phone, gotta hear you.
The singing, the switching, like the different melody, like the different melody switching from singing to DJ and sing J, and I like it. Honestly, I like it.
No, you don't, got me sprung, mixed emotions. Oh, I love you down, just something about you.
Well, that's the song. Now, I'm be honest. Now, let me tell you, no, I'm not gonna break down the song for no. But obviously, I did a little bit with this one. No, don't come at me. Don't come at me, please. Don't come at me. Alright, don't come at me. But hear me I say. Hear me I say good. I like the song. I like it. However, it's not something bad. But I think you could have given a third verse. Or a longer third verse, I should say. But I like the song. I give the song a 9.5. And the reason I give it a 9.5, you wanna know why? Because at the end, I hear like you either give you one third verse and you stop. Like you just sing out one little bit. Then you just stop and go back to the chorus. Let me see if I can find it.
You can't know me if it come true. Boy, you know you're the when you know you done.
Right, that's all.
True. You got me stuck like glue. Don't know what to do. When you can't know me if it come true. Like a dream come true. Got me stuck like glue.
Right, that's all. I feel like it could have gone a little longer. But however, the song is very nice. Nice song, nice flow. I love the play on words. I love it. I like it. You did a good job. New artist coming out. You did a good job. Me not gonna be a hypocrite. I like the song. The song is a nice little song where you can vibe to. No, probably not be a song where DJs might play at the club. But I feel like it's a song where if you keep a party, see me? Like a get together or something. It's a nice song to play. I'm not gonna be no bias. I'm not gonna say no. I like the song. I give song a 9.5 and only I give a 9.5 can play could I go a little bit longer with the third verse. Where they come in with. I like it. Keep up the good work. Like, comment, share, subscribe. I'll see you in life or something. I don't know. If I see you outside, I'll see you.